welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. I'm your host, Julie, and my co-host is here.
You don't know.
He's having his snack of the day before dinner. Guinea. No, so since he's actually eating, thought let's talk about some stuff that Jamaicans like to eat, or what people in general like to eat, you know. So I don't eat guinea, and
which is a blasphemy. Anybody who wanna eat guinea, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Pick up on yourself.
Alright, so I don't eat guinea, and actually I don't eat a lot of stuff, so you know that bombastic sense. I just got one of those. But my co-host stuffs the space. Let us talk about it. So, things Jamaicans love to eat, or things that people probably like to eat. Number one should be like a top 10, right? Alright, so what would be your top 10?
Alright. Let me see. What? Like fruits or just anything?
In general.
Yeah. Alright. In no particular order.
Oh, actually, yeah, let's split it up. Top 10 fruits.
Fruits. Alright, cool. Yeah, 10 fruits. Most of 10 fruits.
Most
Alright,
of 10.
cool. In no particular order.
Okay.
Right, banana.
Uh-huh.
Right? Sugar cane.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Them lady fancy cane there and then crayfish cane there. Something else. May I say? Jackfruit. How much I know? 3? Yeah, 3.
3.
Alright. Guinea, of course.
Okay.
I'm
surprised you have not called the M1.
Or mango?
Yeah.
Not the number one man, but mango.
Make it 5.
Make it 5. Alright. I like something there. There's something there, man.
Pine? Sugarloaf? No, alright.
I'm left pine for now. Pine can't go, man. I'm left for now.
Sweet up?
What?
Soda?
No. I actually like that's what my name Jumbeline.
Jumbeline, yeah.
The mother tree.
Yeah, Jumbeline.
Yeah, man, actually
but
like,
Jamaicans call it the star fruit.
yeah, man, that's same one. Cause I think Jumbeline different for Jamaicans. Whatever.
No, Jumbeline is the same. It's star apple is different.
Star apple, number 7. Yeah. What else fruit that they would taste good? Jelly. Oh, I forgot. What they are? Back it up. Anyways. Jelly. That make it jelly a fruit though.
Let's agree to disagree.
Yeah, it a bit in our food category. I grew up with having a very, very long time.
Seed?
What?
Seed grape.
Seed grape.
Red grape with seeds. Plum? No, you don't like plum?
June plum. I forgot June plum.
That's 10, right?
No, that's 9.
Oh, that's 9?
And then number 10. Yeah, berries.
Which berries?
Blueberries from Blue Mountain Peak. The best berries them ever eat. Yes, that's my top 10.
Okay, so that's Mandela's top 10 of fruits. Now, my top 10.
Some American something people. Some American something. Yeah, I say none of them fruit yeah.
That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. That's not
true. First of all, she named Julie Mango. She allergic to mango.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes no sense. Just I'm making know. That makes sense. That makes no sense. What that?
Alright, so my top 10 in no particular order. I like grapes. Seedless, of course. I can't bother be spitting out seeds.
You too particular now.
I like kiwi. Love kiwi. They are amazing.
Never eat it.
It tastes good. I like the sweets. I don't like sweet sour, but I like that sweet sour taste from it. Alright, that's 2.
You see, your taste was confused.
Where was I? I love pine, especially sugarloaf pine. I love pine. It's really great.
Pine will be 11.
Actually, I do love cane, especially when you get to peel it yourself. There's some satisfaction from it for me. Just digging my teeth and peeling it off. I love it.
You can peel it.
Alright, so the ones that are soft, I can peel myself, okay?
Which part you find them?
I do find a couple of cane that I can do myself. I am strong, you know. Look here, anyways.
Any day that happened, just call
I
me.
don't know. Kiwi, pine, grape, sugar cane. Oh, 4. I'm not a fan of melons.
Yeah, melon would have 15.
I'm not a fan of melons because I hardly seen those sweet melons anymore. Do I have any? I like bananas, to be very fair. You know, bananas are nice. That's 5. What's 6? People, I'm actually stuck because I don't eat a lot of stuff. So I am actually stuck here. I don't think I have 10 fruits that I do like eating.
Just think about some American fruits.
Oh, I like apples. Yeah, that's
American
6.
apple.
Yeah, no, alright. So I like American apple. And I like OTET apple, so that's 7.
Oh, to eat you.
I like Jamaican apple.
Just shut up.
Jamaican apple. I do like Jumbolines because the star shape is cute and
That's it.
that's it. I do like Jumbolines. The star shape is cute and you can have either sour ones. That's the half green, half ripe, and then you have the ripe one. Oh my god, I won't forget guavas. I love guavas. Guavas are the best. Like I can't see somebody selling guavas and just pass the opportunity to stop and buy. Love guavas. So that's nice. Actually, I do have a couple of things. Great. I need one more. One more.
You want to put grape on this?
I don't eat guinea.
Okay. I want to eat it.
I don't eat nuts. I don't eat mangoes. I don't eat all that stuff. Do I have any more?
Crab.
Ha ha! So funny. Is does breadfruit consider a fruit?
Yeah, it is.
Breadfruit is a fruit, so breadfruit, guys.
Breadfruit. Alright. But we left out something after this.
What?
Have you have a special shout out? Aki. Aki is a fruit.
Yeah, true. We are big fans of ackee. Mandel more than I, because Mandel we eat ackee with everything. Mandel we eat ackee with curry. Mandel we eat ackee with fried chicken. You will eat ackee with pork, goat.
Ackee for me side dish.
Mandel have ackee as side dish for everything. If you have ackee and saltfish are the side dish for ackee and saltfish. That's Mandel, sorry. Mandel eat ackee and saltfish way too much as side dish. Rare plant is a fruit?
It's banana, it's a fruit. Rare plant is definitely
Mandel has a serious obsession with plantings as a matter of fact.
Eat plant almost every day.
Yeah, every day. I don't know how he does it. I'm actually a big fan of green plantains, especially when they're pressed. But okay, rare plant all the way. As I was saying, we have developed a good insane love for ackee. Love. He's not okay with ackee and red herring, but I love it. It tastes really good. Ackee and chicken back tastes great. Ackee and jerk chicken tastes fantastic.
Ackee and red herring shouldn't even make. More stuff, I think with the ackee had the problem. Red herring
is a red herring.
Shouldn't even
He's not
make.
a fan of red herring. But what else? Oh, ackee and nuggets. God sent. So people, if you have kids and you them kind of skeptical with the whole ackee and the fish thing, drop in the nuggets in there. Guarantee you they will love it. Of course, you can't put in the whole nuggets. One nuggets can be diced 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if of course you don't want it to be that small, they can dice it 3 times.
Why am I
3
just
ways.
throw the nugget in there?
No, that's what I'm trying to say. No. So, and when you do that, you fry them, then you incorporate the ackee. Trust me, it tastes really amazing. It tastes really, really, really good. I love it. And
Tight pants screw.
leaving that aside, let's go to some fruits that we would like to try. Now, Mandel.
I'm not like to try.
Yeah, no, Mandel. I can tell for one thing, Mandel actually wants to try lychee.
Yeah.
He wants to know what it tastes like.
Too expensive.
The other day when it was lychee season.
Right, that's a reach.
Yeah, right, that's what it reach. A lady was selling a dozen for 1,200. A dozen, sorry. How much is that for?
I remember how much you need.
Half a, so alright, it's pound, it's go by pound. So she was selling half pound for $1,200.
To put it back.
So I was like, half a pound? So why half a pound is so much? I was like, this is Perry. That was so expensive. So he's like, as him say, put it back.
Guys, it's not that I mean I have the money can buy it now.
Actually, yes, we're broke. We're broke ass people. We are broke ass people. But we will be rich in the name of Jesus.
Yes.
We're rich in love.
It will happen. Yes. As I was saying, it's not that all the time when we are passing people that we don't have the money to buy it. But we find it hard
to actually carve out for $1,200 to buy half a pound, and half a pound was like 7 or 8 of them on it.
We find it really hard.
And you're not even sure if you're gonna like it because that's the first time trying it.
Exactly. And then the taste and better like it.
Guinea come in bunches.
Yeah,
oh my god.
The first, you don't go back again, the first thing the boss is saying, you can't taste as much as I'm saying good. I did.
You taste as much as you want?
Yeah.
You just taste one for if it good. Alright,
you have to taste from different sections of the bunch.
Interesting.
You get me, I said?
Interesting.
You got the front part, the back part, the side part, and another side part.
Bad for business.
You get me?
As I was saying, no. He wants to try lychee. I actually want to try blueberry. He has had the great opportunity to try blueberries. I have not, so I would like to try blueberries. And I've tried strawberries. I'm not a big fan. Unless it's blended in a strawberry daiquiri, I am all for it because it tastes really good.
The big one or the small one?
How the hell I must know what I use? I just use strawberry. And majority of the time, people just use the syrup.
You never use strawberry over and over?
Oh, the tiny ones. And let me tell you, when I bought those tiny ones, I think it was 4 of us that bought it together because the man did sell a little carton, probably about this size, for $500. And I looked at the man and looked at him good. I said, what? And funny enough, those strawberries were actually local grown, and they were $500. According to him, though, it's kind of not hard easy to grow, so I guess he was just giving. And strawberries overall are not cheap. So leaving at that. Any exotic fruits that you want to try?
Let me see. What me travel meet now?
Let me say any exotic fruits that I really want to try. I've tried cantaloupe, not a big fan.
Cantaloupe is not exotic.
It's not exotic, but it's not cheap. Anyways, I've tried it, don't like it. I mean, I guess probably that's why I'm not a big fan of watermelon. I want to try dragon fruit. Wow. It's a red fruit. It's an American fruit. Anyways, it's called dragon fruit, and I would like to try it. It does look so interesting, you know? It has a lot of seeds though, but it looks so interesting.
Well, red?
Yeah, it's red. And the seeds are supposed to...
That's interesting about it?
No, the outside appearance of it is red, and it has a flowery look on it. Dragon fruit. In some anime, and not animes, in some manga, they use the fruit looks like an egg, per se.
Manga here. Manga.
Anyways,
manga.
The dragon fruit, I would want to try the dragon fruit. I have never actually tried American pear that they use as a fruit.
Alright.
I've done
pear.
Huh?
The same pear.
What do you mean by same pear?
They're the same type of pear.
No, avocados is pear for them. Pear for we is avocado. Pear for them is a pear, and pear for we just American pear.
My last.
Alright, so what we Jamaicans call pear, it's called avocado internationally, right? But what Americans or some foreign persons call pear.
Oh yeah, I thought that's something that we kind of
the brownish, greenish looking.
And when they eat it, in there come like styrofoam.
I don't know. I have never tried. I've never tried.
You bite it like apple.
Yes, it looks like an apple, inside but it's kind of longerish.
Inside white.
I don't know. I've never tried. No. What I've done though is I had drank a juice with the pear inside, but that the pear concentration inside, but that was it. I've never actually.
Yeah, man, I know how you are now.
I've never actually.
The styrofoam.
Please, people, if you're offended by what he said, I apologize on behalf of him.
I apologize. That's styrofoam.
Your opinion is noted, but not the opinions of everybody. Alright?
I'm going to styrofoam.
Back to what I was saying. I would like to try that. Another thing that I would like to try.
Let me get him soon done.
Panganut? I've actually never tried panganut.
I always hear about that.
Yeah. I've never actually tried panganut.
I come from country. I've never eat panganut. Feel bad.
Yeah, I've never actually tried panganut, so I think panganut would be great to try.
I don't think it's that tasty though.
I don't think it's tasty. I mean, I don't know if any of the stuff I said that I want to taste is tasty. I just have to wait and see. So one of these days I'll go try it out and see whether or not it's tasty, yes or no. But I mean, it's something that I want to try. Like when back in the day, I was so curious what kiwi tasted like, and when I tasted kiwi, oh my god, I fell in love. I was like, this has to be in my top 5 fruits that I enjoy. It's just amazing. Bear in mind, guys, kiwi is not cheap. So it's like a one in the blue moon's guilty pleasure, but I really love it.
You know the uptown taste that you have.
That's not true. That's not true.
Uptown taste.
That's not true.
Mm-hmm.
That's not true. I just like stuff that probably not many Jamaicans will.
Just like stuff that are very expensive.
That's not. But in fruits wise, that probably be true. Alright, so coming off the whole.
Yeah.
How much can I please?
No. I ain't getting
Well, what was I saying? I got distracted by someone clapping mouths in my ears.
Oh, sorry guys. I'm getting carried away by my kidney.
Okay. What was I saying? Oh, alright. So you remember we were watching best food reviews,
Mm-hmm.
and Sonny was trying out different food pizzas.
Oh.
Right. So guys,
the bugs.
we were watching a TV review about this guy that goes around eating food. He had actually come to Jamaica, and I actually liked the Jamaican episode.
Yeah,
it wasn't bad.
Jamaican episode.
It wasn't bad. But differently, he tried a different amount of pizzas in Vietnam, and there was this particular unique one. The topping was silk bugs. Now, me seeing that, I'm like, bugs, worm, insect, nope. I don't even want to see one zooming across my face, much less to be eating them. No. So the next thing is.
But bugs not taste that bad.
Excuse me.
I'm just saying.
Listen to me.
All right. Guys,
I don't want to even hear or you know
when
how
I was
a bug tastes.
When I was a child, you know,
Did you hear me this story?
a few, you know, call it, a few ants.
Not ants, stand up. Everybody's supposed to at least try eating, not even try it. Everybody's supposed to have eaten at least one ant before. Sweetie and the ants that are sweetie, you're like, I'm not doing with you on a sweetie, but eat the same way, you know?
Plus, when I used to a country, and me a sit down and me a delve deep in a bag of mango and all them something there, and all them bugs, bugs and worms are there in there.
Yep.
One thing I've learned in biology, they are full of protein. So, when I was eating, you know, them just become part of the meal. You know what I'm trying to say? Them just become part of the meal. And to be fair, I'm a taste of the mango juice.
I'm sorry.
So who knows? The bugs probably taste good too.
Squatted them out.
Square them out.
Alright, guys. Putting Mandel eating the bugs aside, I am thinking the Toppings to put on pizza. I am totally for pineapples.
Always. Pineapple can go on everything.
Mandel eat pineapple in burgers.
Everything.
I'm not a big fan of that one, but he eats pineapples. And yet still pineapple wasn't in his favorite.
Pineapple is my favorite. But pineapple can go on
pineapple on pizza was great. I love the idea. Who came up with it? Yes, clap with me, Perry. Great choice. So pineapple as a pizza topping for sure. I love peppers, any form of peppers. I think they should actually have a Scotch bonnet section to throw on. Totally need to have a Scotch bonnet section. I don't think any of them have that.
Pepper on pizza?
Yes.
Pepper on pizza?
They might have bell pepper. That's bell pepper.
No, I thought bell pepper. I thought regular pepper.
It's regular pepper. They don't have no regular pepper.
Pepper seeds.
You mean the flakes that they give you after the pizza is done baked? Alright, that's not what I'm referring to. I'm referring to actual nice sliced up Scotch bonnet.
Them are trying to cater to everybody, not only you.
Them not gonna put it, them gonna add it as a topping. Back to what I was saying, jerk chicken is a good one. Love jerk chicken. Oh, and beef pepperoni is also good.
Beef pepperoni?
Yes, Amanda has never tried it before, and I think probably I should treat him to a beef pepperoni pizza.
For a long time I get treated.
What you just say? Don't lie to the people,
I take my talk.
Mandel, did I not say, Mandel, I'm going to buy you a watch? And you sat for hours choosing a watch. Hmm?
Why?
No, well, and that was Saturday. Today is Monday. How far is that now? Hmm?
Why?
You're rude. Apologize.
Me not take back my word. Yo, violence. You see how some people? I didn't violence them put up with everything.
I'm not
you say
violent.
no violence against women. It should go as well no violence against men.
First of all, he's wicked. He said that I did not treat him. That's not true. Right? I treat this car and I treat him just the same. Perfect.
You treat me like the car?
Yeah.
With the bird if she come every day? I
said I treat you like I treat the car. I treat the car good. I treat you good. Right? Huh. What's that expression? Huh. Oh no. I'll treat you good. Don't do that. It's alright. We shall settle this after the whole thing has ended. Don't worry, people. I might not have a co-host for long after I am finished with him today. But putting that aside, you know what? I shall end this. But what was I gonna say? Oh, toppings. Yeah. So beef pepperoni is great. Pineapple is amazing. Peppers, I love my peppers. Onions is good too. I'm gonna say that I love
onion go on everything.
Yeah, onions are great. Any other topping? I don't know how people put anchovies on their pizza. I don't know how they do it, but I kudos to you guys. Fish. Yeah. What else? Anything else?
Just pineapple.
Actually, talking about pizza, I would love a slice. Probably, I don't know when. we don't really buy pizza like that. But that should be it for foods that we like and top stuff. But look at that, time flies. It's 24 minutes, guys. This is the end of our Car Vibes episode, where we randomly just talk about whatever that comes to our tip of our head. Literally, we don't really plan for these things. We just come in the car. Oh, what are we going to talk about today? And bam, a topic just fly. Eating food. Let's talk about food and stuff. Ooh, I'm be shaking out daylight. But guys, see you tomorrow. No, sorry. See you Wednesday, which you will really don't know which time I'm actually videoing, but see you Wednesday for another episode of Car Vibes. Say bye, Perry. Bye. And then Mandel can't say bye.
Be up on self.
Again, We're not sure if we will see Mandel after I'm finished with him. How dare he say I don't treat him? So enjoy the rest of your evening, guys.
Me. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.